Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
First, stop Jenkins gracefully so no jobs run during the backup process. Use systemtool stop Jenkins or service Jenkins stop on your server. Next, create a full compressed backup of Jenkins home, for example a 500 MB or larger tar. GZ archive. Verify disk space and transfer the archive offsite or to object storage. Finally, confirm your Java runtime is at least 11 and note the current Jenkins version on the Manage Jenkins screen. On your server, download the latest Jenkins WAR file or the appropriate DEB or RPM package. If you manage packages, install with dpkg package, deb or RPM of package. RPM to preserve existing config files. For a WAR deployment, replace the WAR file in your servlet container and keep the same Jenkins home path. Ensure Jenkins continues to listen on port 8080 and update firewall rules to allow traffic if needed. Start Jenkins and watch the log for upgrade messages. After starting Jenkins, immediately monitor the log for plugin compatibility warnings and migration notes. Open Manage Plugins and update all plugins, following any recommended order to avoid breaking functionality. Restart Jenkins when prompted to ensure plugins and core changes fully apply. Run a few representative jobs and watch their console output to validate executor behavior. Finally, confirm authentication, web UI responsiveness, and that the instance is reachable on port 8080 from your browser or monitoring tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.